What's up, guys? It's just me today. I am headed back from work. I've been trying to be 100% consistent with putting a video out on Sunday mornings, and of course this week, including last weekend, it's determined to rain every single day. And I did have a stash of videos that I could use as backup, but we had another couple of weeks like that a while back, so I've gone through them. So today is my only chance to actually do this, and what I am gonna do, we're trying to cut down on the length of our videos, because apparently for some reason we only film hour-long videos. I have no idea why. That's just how it works out. I don't plan on filming an hour every time I go out. It's just, hey, I want to plan this. Oh, I want to record this trip here. That's usually how it happens. And we talk the entire time. And as I've previously stated, the whole point of my channel is just to create memories for Kaylee and I. And if by chance along the way I can keep somebody else entertained, then cool, that's what I'm going to do. So today, this is my only chance to make a video for this Sunday, so that's what I'm doing. I am leaving work, headed home. I'm taking off down 11 again. This is the same highway we took to Jefferson, but the opposite way. If you look at my past videos, you'll see a huge gap, and it was this didn't work, that didn't work, audio sounded like complete hot garbage. I never could find like the happy medium between good filming and good audio. It was either one or the other. I think the best chance, or the best video I had prior to recent changes I made, were the Talamina, and that was simply because we didn't talk very much. We just were blown away by the views, and we hadn't been riding along, so that's why it's like that. And for the most part, we did stop, but I was able to edit those stops out, and it wasn't very difficult. I think I used iMovie. I think it was iMovie, but that was like 3.5 years ago, 4 years ago maybe. I don't know, my bike was 6 months old and it was a 21, so it was back, you know, November of 21 is when I went. And yeah, we had such a great time, but since then my video has been trash, or my sound has been trash. I never could find what worked. I couldn't find the right microphone. I couldn't find the right camera, or I couldn't find the right adapters for a camera. I couldn't do both. What I ended up doing was switching to DJI, and I've had, I don't want to say zero issues, but they have been few and far between. All of my issues have been user-based. Like, my fault, 100% my fault. We tried to film a video the other day. We were on our little bitty bikes, and if I ever say we were on our little bitty bikes, I mean we have two CF Moto 450 NKs, and we absolutely raise hell all over town in them, and those are our errand bikes. Or like if I'm doing the oil change and on the big bikes, and I tell my wife, hey, I need 2 cans of brake clean while I'm going to get started on this. Can you run up to AutoZone and get me 2 cans of brake clean? She jumps on the Chinese bike and she hauls ass up there and gets them. Simple as that. They're just our F-around bikes, and we love them. No complaints. Anyways, I haven't been able to find something that worked out. I switched to that. I tried to record last weekend on that bike, and I don't know why, but I adjusted my mic somewhere along the way, and I guess my wrist or something hit the record button on the camera, and sure as hell it didn't record anything until I went to turn it off, and it recorded the last 5 minutes to the house. So if you ever see me go like this, I'm just basically making sure that everything is still on and moving along like it should be. We do plan on making some videos with those things. We just haven't been able to really find the right thing to do. Like I said, most of the time we're on them, it's like 10-15 minutes. Anyways, I switched to DJI. I have only had user-created issues since then. The cameras have worked flawlessly. The video has been on point. The sound has been on point. And if you look, there's no wires. It's a wireless mic inside my helmet. I adjusted the gain all the way down. And then when I'm editing the video in DaVinci Resolve, I'm able to mess with the volume, turn it up and down, and it records in 32 lossless, so it doesn't affect the quality of it whether I go all the way up or all the way down. It's a really, really nice setup. Really impressed with it. Really upset that I didn't jump on it sooner. I saw a bunch of videos and I had it sitting in a cart, and every time I went to go buy it, I said, no, I can fix GoPro. You know how that goes. And continuously let down. Very upset that I didn't jump on it ahead of time or when I first learned about it. I currently am using the Osmo Action 4. I did ask Santa for the Osmo Action 5 Pro because I really would like to have a camera up here staring this way at my ugly face, but that hasn't happened yet. Christmas isn't here. Thanksgiving's not even here. But as soon as he comes through, you'll have the other way. I do have my extra GoPros, but with the 17 different batteries you got to change out every so often, and I mean it's a pain. There's a reason why. This thing, I'll pop an image up right here. It's got a charger battery pack. You can buy 3 batteries, or you buy 2 additional batteries with this charger pack, and as one battery starts to go dead, you just plug it in the box, take one out, and next time you go to grab that battery, it'll be charged up. Or you grab the second battery that's in there. Riding right towards the sun today, so I've got one of the DJI ND filters on it. I think this one is the 16. I think I chose the 16 because it's the only one I hadn't used yet, but it was mainly because I hadn't rode directly towards the sun since I purchased it. So this video could be a bust. I don't know, because I haven't used this filter yet. The only time it would be dark is when I'm going through these shaded areas. But I've had 0 issues. I love this damn camera. I'm ready for the next one. I'm ready to get as many as I can. When we record videos, the wife has a wireless mic in her helmet. She's not connected to anything. She doesn't usually have a camera on her helmet. She just doesn't like the extra weight on it. So we'll put like the 360 or something on her handlebars, and we'll use that to record her, or even record out. I think on the Jefferson video I put one of those stupid little sticks on it, and that got some cool shots, but it was also super bouncy. So I'm not a big fan of that. I do want to try to hook it to my passing light bar and stick it out a little bit, not very far, but enough to where it can get a pretty cool image. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you today. Is just how happy I am, and she is, with this video, or with this video equipment, should I say. We really want to use the little bikes to record a video. We might make that our goal on Sunday. I have to see. We usually do something on those bikes then. On every Sunday we try to get out and ride them and do something on them. I know we're getting a lot of rain, so before we do anything this weekend on them, we do need to clean the chains up and all that. So we'll get that done on Saturday, and then if we're able to go somewhere on Sunday on those, then we'll record that. I know she planned something for us to do on Sunday, so I might just save that video for next week. But we'll see. See what happens. You see what I mean? But all the roads in Texas are straight. I just put my feet up like this and just go. Sit in 5th gear and just cruise. If you have any questions about the DJI, the ND filters, I can't stress how easy the microphone is. I even tried to zoom, and hell, before the zoom, I had an extra Cena that I plugged into the zoom, and I used that to connect to mine and the wife's headset, and I was trying to record both of our conversation that way. And that was a joke. The Cena would disconnect, or the Zoom would stop recording, or whatever. So I got I think it's like a $150 Zoom just sitting in a drawer somewhere at the house, not doing nothing. Well, y'all have a good night, have a good weekend, and I'm sorry the video's not longer. I'm just tired. I stayed up late last night watching the season finale of election year. So y'all have a good night, and we'll talk to everybody next time.
Flashback.
I'm gonna go out that way so I can show these big ass cow titties. Look at them big old heifers. Big old heifers. Oh, it's the dairy museum. Wife, we're gonna have to come here. They might have some straight from the tit milk we could drink. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Straight from the cow tit.